We know that robot manufacturers each have their own strengths in the products they offer. For example, some are made for heavy-duty industrial tasks, and others focus on speed or precision or compact design. That's why, even in small factories today, it's common to see robots from 2 to 3 different brands used for different jobs. For larger factories and robot integrator companies, they often work with even more brands across their products. RoboDK offers a unified platform to program and simulate robots from many brands, and we keep adding more to the list. A post processor works like a translator. It takes a robot simulation program and converts it into the native code that the specific robot controller understands. What makes post processors powerful is that they can be customized. If your project has a special setup or integration with other systems like PLCs or vision cameras, you can change the post processor to output the controller program accordingly. In short, RoboDK Post Processors transform simulation into real-world deployment, making automation faster and more flexible.